Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards. Capricorn, this is for your relationship and this is for your career circumstances, guys. And today we'll be picking one card for your moon energies, Capricorn. If you want more clarity, guys, after watching this general energy, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, Capricorn. So let's start with these cards here. We have Ring, Scythe and Rider. So in your circumstances today, Capricorn, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, there is there is some kind of a change coming up, guys, in your circumstances. Maybe something is changing suddenly. Maybe some news is coming through that is simply going to shake you up today. So maybe in your relationship, some good news, some positive news is coming to you from this person. They want marriage or commitment with you, and it is going to be something you never expected from them. Maybe you were thinking that it will take some more time, or maybe they do not like you to that extent, but they are here trying to propose to you and move forward in life. So some good news or positive news is what I see, guys, with these cards. So some changes, some good changes are happening in this relationship, and maybe they are thinking of maybe starting a family with you, having a child together or living together, some kind of deeper commitment you are moving towards, guys, and maybe this person is thinking of that. And even in your work situation, there are sudden changes you can expect, guys. So for your relationship, we picked one card. Let's see what it is, and it says Cross. So maybe there you have a lot of experience. Maybe your past experience has taught you a lot of lessons, but today being calm and composed is going to help you. So this big announcement may simply come as a surprise, and it may take time for you to it may take time for this news to sink in. Maybe they are accepting your proposal or their plans for marriage with you, or their plans to move in with you. Whatever it is, even if it is a positive news, it is a huge announcement coming your way today, guys, Capricorn, and it is simply taking you by surprise today. But whatever it is, maybe you're happy, maybe you are quite surprised, whatever your emotions may be, some kind of meditation or some kind of spiritual practice is going to help you a lot, guys, Capricorn. So you can, if you are interested, you can go for it, guys. So for your work situation, we have Lilies. So whatever good opportunities are there. You are going to see that in your work, something that is going to help you build a secure, safe future for yourself. So those kind of opportunities are reaching you today, guys, Capricorn, in your work situation. So for your moon energies, Capricorn, your hard work is paying off. Such an apt card for you all. So whatever you have tried for, whatever you have worked for is reaching you today, guys. You can be really happy for that. So in your work situation or in your personal life, and this card is a very auspicious card for a new beginning, a new course of action happening in your life, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, Capricorn. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is your first card. So we have the Princess and the Pea, sensitivity. So with this card in your circumstances today, maybe you have a very heightened sensitivity today. Maybe in your heart of hearts, something is telling you what is right and what is wrong. It may be your intuition working or your instincts working, whatever it is, guys, you need to trust that. And maybe if you have an experience or if you are an already a very sensitive person, sensitive to people, sensitive to your circumstances, to emotions, maybe today, even without people telling you how they feel, you may realize what is there in their heart. You may understand them emotionally, and that is because you are feeling really sensitive today, sensitive to the people, your surroundings. So whatever you feel deep down, you must trust that, guys. So maybe when you are making some important decisions, something tells you that you should make a particular choice or decide in a particular way. You must go for it. And your feelings or your intuition is right today, and you need to trust that. And you can never, hide what you truly feel today. Maybe something has come up and you realize that what it is, and maybe even if you are not taking those actions, you're not speaking on that subject, maybe whatever it may be, but the way you are, you may feel that this is the right thing, and you may have that trust and faith in your intuition. So that is going to influence your actions even without you telling about your sensitivity or telling someone about your intuition. Whatever it is, the intuition you have is going to influence your actions and words, and that is the way things are going to be today, guys. So maybe if you feel that you cannot trust yourself, you cannot trust what you truly feel, you must give up that idea and you must go for what your intuition is telling you, because that may be the right thing for you and that may be the right decision for you today, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. for those who chose this card. So let's see what is your second card. For those who chose this card, it's Happy Happy. A very positive card here, guys. So no matter what your situation is today, everything is falling into place for you, and this is the time you feel really close to this person you love, and you feel that you can tell them anything and without wanting anything in return, loving them for the sake of love, not for anything else. So that is the way things are going to be, guys. So when you have that unconditional love towards this person, it is going to work in a magical way today in your relationship, guys. So the grass is greenest where you are right now, and you can be happy, grateful for the way things are going. And you should not forget, no matter what your situation is, maybe you are seeing some trouble, something is worrying you in this relationship. Whatever it is, you just need to let go of all that. Lighten up, just have fun, be playful, cheerful, and you will be surprised how everything will change in your circumstances. And being happy attracts more happiness, just like bees are attracted to honey. So no matter what your circumstances are, just being happy will attract more happiness in your life today, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.